Hey guys, welcome back to another banging video, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I have a big haul for you guys of just like different things I've been buying for the holidays. Of course I hit up my favorite store, Ross. I hit up I think TJMAXX as well. I hit up some other stores, Amazon, and I'm gonna just start just like unboxing everything with you guys to show you guys some of the things that I purchased. So before we get started, if y'all could please like, comment, and subscribe, I would truly appreciate it because we are on a road to 10K. Let's get it. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump straight into it. I want to open this first bag at Ross. I bought this a while back, like maybe like 2 weeks ago, but last week I was on vacation all week, so I don't even remember what I bought. But yeah, some of it is for gifts, some of it is for me, so let's just see. The first thing I got with this Chia Moisture coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie. This at TJMAXX was $10.99 versus almost $20 that it usually is, so it was definitely a steal. I know a lot of girls that use this product and they love it, and I actually ran into my friend that day who was purchasing the same product, so it's definitely a hit, and there was quite a few available, so I actually ended up picking two and giving one to my brother because he likes to use this as well. Next thing, well, this is the TJMAXX bag in here. I got different bags in here. All right, let's see. This is the TJMAXX bag. So in the TJMAXX bag, I got this little squeaky toy for my husky, my dog, my daughter. It's so cute and it squeaks. I'm not gonna squeaky because if not, she'll come in here and it's literally 1 a.m. so we're not doing that tonight. But this is adorable, and I also got her another toy which I know he already gave her, so I'll probably have to go back and buy her more things, but this is just some of like the starters. So yeah, I already got her little toy. It's really cute. And then I got these, there's more things in here. I got this Diva Curl Plumping Primer. It just gives your hair some volume, I think like some body, and it protects it at the same time. I've never used it before, but Diva Curl I know is a really good brand. I used some of the other products for a long time and I feel like I got really nice curls out of it, so I wanted to try this, so I got it. And then I wanted to try it, so I got it. And then I got this Sun Balm Premium Sunscreen Browning Lotion. It's SPF 15. I love to tan, I love to bronze. I always get mine off of Amazon, and it's like an oil. I've heard great things about this specific brand. I actually have the face mist and the body like regular sunscreen that my aunt had lent me when I went to the beach. So yeah, I wanted to try this one for myself and have my own. So these are some of the things that I got. I want to show you guys. Hold on. Thumbnail. And I got all of these literally for the low. Like, these were red tag and everything. I mean, super cheap. So I ended up paying for the Diva Curl $8, for the Sun Balm SPF 15 tanning lotion $10, and this was about $10 as well. So I mean, that's definitely a steal. The toy I got my dog, I mean, that was pretty cheap as well. I picked up this. I was literally on the way to the checkout and I saw this, and so I picked it up. It wasn't like on my oh, I'm gonna purposely go to the store and buy this today, but it says prayers to share, 100 pass along notes to celebrate the good. And basically it's just like a book with fun prayers and things to pray about. So it's like, I am praying that you enjoy the ride as God leads you forward in his great plans for you. I am certain that, like, just little things about like little prayers about God. It was $2.99, so I thought it was like definitely a steal, and I thought that every day I could read one of the pages and it would just help me connect more to God. And up here I feel like I could actually write notes about it, so I felt like it was very well put together. I like how it gives you kind of like the white is a little bit more, it's bolded because that's like the main message, and then they break it down a little bit more down here. And so I really like this, and I thought really like it's $2.99 was such a steal. It's really thick, and I personally I've really been into like my church lately and things like that, so I picked it up because it fits like me and what I'm doing. So the next stuff is a whole bunch of hygiene stuff, which I'm so excited to share with y'all. I got a lot of things, and this I got at Ross, and I feel like Ross really be where it's at. So let me show y'all everything. I kept it all up in the bag so that I could make sure to show you guys. So the first thing here, I got this fresh foaming cleanser. It's a makeup remover and cleanser in one for refreshingly clean skin. So I like that because I recently got this little sponge where you can like wash your face and remove your makeup while you're in the shower. But obviously I kind of want to have some type of like lotion or cream to put on my face prior to doing that, just because I feel like if I try to scrub that on my face, even though it's meant to remove makeup, but it doesn't have like an oil or soap or something, so it might be rough on my skin. So I thought this was like perfect. I had never even heard of this, so I'll let y'all know how my experience with this. But Neutrogena fresh foaming cleanser, and it helps take off your makeup, and that's really why I bought it, because I've realized that makeup wipes really ain't it anymore. And I used to have a bunch of those. I still do, so I want to give this a try. Next up, I got this Skin Detox 2-in-1 Clay Wash Mask. It targets 100% of toxins and daily pollution, deeply purifies skin for a radiant complexion. I was in need of like a mask for my face. I feel like I have some from Amazon, but I wanted to try maybe, you know, one from Neutrogena, one from, you know, I've heard a lot of great things about this brand. The one I purchased on Amazon was just like a standard, like, I don't even think it had a brand to it. It was just like a mud clay mask. So yeah, I got this, and I thought that my skin obviously could use a detox, because if I'm using makeup removers, because my skin has makeup, and a nice detox can remove some of those, you know, impurities. Next up, I got a blackhead eraser. Everyone knows that as much as you detox your skin and purify it, then when you put makeup on it, it really creates those pores. And so that's why always having a blackhead cleanser is important. And I actually have the little cream that treats the pimples. So I decided to get the blackhead eraser for it, and I've used this product before and it's usually pretty good, so I got that. Then I got this 3-in-1 purple leave-in treatment spray for blonde and silver hair. Enhances brightness, hydrates, and detangles, softens, cools. It's like all in one. This was $5.99. Obviously I have done highlights before, I've done my roots before, so it's important to conserve my color though, because I don't go often to get it done. I know a lot of people probably think I'm there like once a month and this and that. I'm not. I don't go very often. And I don't love the idea of like treating my hair with color, but obviously after a certain amount of time it's like I need it, because I don't like the two tones. So I just thought this would be nice. I've never really used a purple shampoo or conditioner, which is crazy because I am blonde, but I thought that this treatment spray that you can use afterwards would be like a nice addition to my hair care, because, you know, it's meant for blonde hair, and it's a leave-in treatment spray that can help with some of the things that my hair needs. So I got that. I also purchased this Holiday Ref Scent Luxury Room Spray. So, you know, it's almost Christmas, so excited. And I love the scent of like Christmas and anything pine and stuff. So I ran out of the one I have already. I know Bath and Body Works always has some good room ones, but this is a big bottle and it was only $3.99. Cause y'all know at Bath and Body Works, I mean, the cheapest you can probably get one for is like maybe $5, and don't quote me because everything's gone up. And it's smaller and it's very concentrated, but almost sometimes can be too concentrated. So I feel like this is nice. It's big. It was obviously very cheap, and I can just spray it in different areas of my house and don't constantly have to worry about buying 10 different little room sprays, because I know that they won't last. So I'm gonna give this a shot and see how good it is, because if it's extremely watered down, I'm not gonna like it. But it smells good. They had different scents. I smelled them all, and this was one of my favorites. So I ended up going with this one because we are during Christmas. So yeah. So in here, I actually purchased this in Puerto Rico at some store over there, and it's honestly just two sparkly dresses. I have a green one and then I have the red one. Nothing crazy. They're literally just sparkly dresses, long sleeve, V-cut, and then short. So yeah, got both of those. Super excited to wear them. Very pretty. In here, let me see what I got. This is an Amazon package. Oh great, I think this is a waist trainer, and these are, is this another waist trainer? Oh, I don't know if I like to call it this waist trainer. I feel like I'm very picky on my waist trainers, and yeah, I don't think, yeah, no. This is not what I'm used to. Oh wait, you know what, maybe it is. I'm gonna have to try this on. So yeah, I ordered some waist trainers from Amazon because your girl is gonna be extra curvy for Christmas this year. So, best believe it. Alright, I low-key ordered 2, so one of them can be returned because I don't really like it too much. The first one, it's like not getting tight. I feel like I've worn waist trainers for a while now, and I feel like I know which ones work on me better at least. So, all right, I have this box here, so I'm gonna open it, see what it is with you guys. It's crazy because I've literally been waiting to open all these things, show you guys and everything prior to like putting them away, prior to even seeing what it is. So, all right. Jeez, does this make any more noise at this time? Just paper. More waist trainers? I must have made, oh no. Oh, okay. These are very pretty. These are matching workout sets. I did order these, and I ordered them in red, and look how pretty. Very pretty. Hold on, because I think I ordered this same thing on Shein. I'm a mess. All right, and then it comes with the matching pant, and then same thing here. I got it in, I think like I got it here in like this bluish kind of teal. And it comes obviously with the matching little jacket, and then it's like a short little jacket, and then it comes with the matching long pants. You see? So it's so cute. I'm excited to wear those. Another thing I wanted to show you guys, I got some I think they're called bomber jackets. I got this pink one. These I got at Sarah, I believe is the name of the store, Sarah. I got it in Puerto Rico as well. These were $60, but they were on sale for like $40. And I got them in a size small. So I got this pink one. I got this white one. And I have like the matching shoes and everything, so I'm so excited to wear them because I already have my fits ready. And then I actually purchased this little like black little see-through jacket. And it's really cute because I can wear it with like a little bra or something, and it's adorable. So yeah, I also purchased these furry slippers from 9 West at Ross, but I don't like the way they feel, so I'm gonna try to return them, but I don't know if they'll let me. Let me check my receipt. I have the receipt here, but I don't have the physical tag on them, so I don't know if they'll let me or not. But maybe for store credit, so I gotta keep this. Because yeah, them shoes was just not that comfortable. Another thing I got was some things from Ulta. I feel like things from like Ulta or places like that could be like their own haul. Like, anyway, so I ended up getting this metallic eye and body liquid liner. I got it in the color silver. I love to use them. I have blue, I have like burgundy, and now I have silver. I also got this Tree Hut Sugar Face Scrub, Watermelon Cactus Water Ahaha or something like that. This was like on sale for like $3, and Tree Hut is one of my favorite brands, so I had to pick this up from Ulta. Another thing I got like 2 of my favorite lip glosses, Extra Shine from Essence. I just got the 2 colors that I like to use. I love to use like a light pink, light brownish kind of, so let me put that in here. And then I got so I ended up purchasing the lip liners that I actually use. Fun fact is I ordered them online, and they came so freaking dark, and I don't even know what I'm gonna do with them. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm gonna do with them. And then they gave you like a free little mini bag with like a NYX liquid liner. This is a matte finishing spray, a primer, and this is another lip gloss. I didn't know it came like that. This was a whole little gift set that they gave you if you purchased more than like, I think $50, which was like, you know, doesn't take a lot. So I was like, that's such a steal. So that was from Ulta. So let me show you guys. And that just right about it concludes it, guys. I don't want to make the video like super long or super lengthy, but yeah, I got a whole bunch of different knickknacks at Ross, TJMAXX, Ulta, Amazon. So I basically showed you guys everything in this video, a collective a collective haul of a whole bunch of honestly wonderful places where people do most of their shopping. I don't see sometimes the point of going and, let's say, going to, I don't know, CVS and buying the same thing I can get at Ross for the low. Like, same thing. Tree Hut, this is probably $10, like, for the low. So, well, actually, this was at Ulta. Ulta's don't really be doing too much for the low, but they low-key gave this whole little bag for the low. And these are products that individually would have costed, you know, and I use those products, so I was happy about that. So anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna conclude my video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.